Watch this video and learn how to draw a kitten. Later on, Bunny Fluffington's going to do a song break, and watch to the end to see Louie's shape break. Okay everyone, get ready, it's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hi Artie!
Oh, hello, little artist. Oh,
You like kittens, don't you, Artie?
yes.
Should we draw one?
Oh, Artie would really love that. Yes, please. Oh, great.
Yay!
Hey there, Artie.
Greetings, Artie!
Yeah,
Are you ready to start?
yeah.
Let's begin.
Oh, I can't wait.
This is going to be fun.
Okay, let's start. Yeah, okay.
I get so happy when Artie is about to start.
Let's start by drawing a curved line on the left side of the page going up towards the top. Okay, we finished. Just kidding. That would be a really quick drawing if we were finished already. Now we're going to draw another curved line on the right side, sort of mirroring the first one.
Art brings me so much joy.
Me too.
Me too, guys. Okay, Artie, let's draw our kitten's left ear. We'll curve up and back down. Are you having fun, Artie?
Oh, I'm so happy.
Well, that's great.
Yeah.
Art makes me happy as well. Now let's draw the top of the head, and then, of course, the right ear. Try and copy the one you drew on the left as closely as you can. If we're going too quick, little artists, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw a little oval shape inside the left ear. That's perfect, Artie. And now the same inside the right ear. His ears look a little bit like yours, Artie.
Yeah.
You have cute little ears, just like our kitten drawing.
Hi Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Bunny's ready for some fun.
Yay.
I bet your markers love being part of such wonderful art.
Yeah.
Hippity hop. Catch you later, Artie.
Bye.
Bye.
Now let's draw a curved line starting at the top of the head in the middle and curve down and all the way around towards the right. I bet you're having fun, Artie. Are you enjoying this?
Yeah, Artie's really having fun. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, Artie. I'm having fun just watching you. Okay, that's perfect. Now, can you do a similar shape, but on the left side? Start at the top, go down, and then curve back in towards the left side of the head.
Can you tell what it is, little artists?
I can't tell.
You'll be able to tell really soon, Betty. Once Artie's added a few more features, you'll see.
Oh, let's have a song break.
A song break?
Yeah.
Okay, why not?
Yeah. Okay, song break. Yeah.
When you're feeling low and thinking, where am I gonna go from here? And you look around, you're sinking. Just look for me, I'll be right there. Ooh, for you. Ooh, you can count on me when times get hard. You don't have to be afraid, I'll be right there. Ready to lift today, no need to worry. I'll always pick you up. We're
was fun. Artie loves song breaks.
Bunny was great.
Yeah.
So were you.
Oh, thank you.
Let's carry on with the drawing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, all right.
Let's give our kitten some legs. Just 2 straight lines coming down. Keep watching because Louie's shape break is coming up soon. Let's draw a little curved line at the bottom of the foot.
I'm not sure what it's going to be yet, but it looks good.
It does look good, Bunny. Okay, Artie, let's draw the right leg now. Just like you did on the left, 2 straight lines, and then connect those 2 straight lines with a little curve for the bottom of the foot. This is fun.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying myself. Yeah.
Me too. I love watching you draw, Artie. Let's add the bottom of our kitten's body. A little curved line at the right, and a little curved line on the left. And then, of course, between the legs, another little curved line. And now our kitten's body is complete.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Let's draw a nose. What kind of nose do you want to draw, Artie? Oh, I see. You're drawing a cute little oval shape. And perhaps a mouth underneath. You know, Artie, you just drew a nose on this kitten that looks just like your nose.
Wow. Oh, I didn't know.
Well, that's okay. We can use our own faces as inspiration. Let's draw 2 eyes that are closed. Just little smile shapes will make our kitten look like he's smiling and closing his eyes at the same time.
Oh, why don't we have a shape break? Yeah. Yeah, Louie, let's have a shape break.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to the Shape Break. I'm Louie, and I'm going to teach you today about this shape right here. Now, this is a pentagon. Funny name, really. Pentagon. And it has 5 sides. We're going to count them together. Are you ready? Here we go. So, along the bottom there, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see? 5 sides with a pointy top and a flat bottom. Now, what kind of shapes are pentagon shaped? Well, diamonds, very expensive, you know. Diamonds, they're a pentagon shape. My house actually is sort of pentagon shaped, and a tent. We actually see a nice little circus tent here. They're pentagon shaped sometimes. You know those little black shapes on a soccer ball? Not the white, but the little black shapes in between the white. They're pentagon shapes as well. And, well, Superman's logo, you know, on his chest. That's an upside down pentagon. It is indeed, yes. And, here's a good one. Why did the Pentagon change its name to the Square? Because they were cutting corners. Yes, it's a bit out there, that one. Anyway, Pentagon.
Oh, that was a good shape break. Artie learned a lot.
Me too.
Yeah.
Let's finish the drawing.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, you're adding eyelashes, Artie. That's great. I'd assumed that our kitten was a little boy, but it's actually a little girl kitten.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
How's my favorite artist? I love that drawing. That looks so good.
Thank you.
Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Let's give our kitten some whiskers. 3 straight lines on the right and 3 on the left. Did you know, Artie, that cats' whiskers actually help them balance? Let's give our kitten a nice big tail. Draw a long S-shaped line going up towards the top of the page, curve around at the top, and then come all the way back down and end at the body of the kitten. Well, it's looking pretty good to me, Artie. Are you finished?
I'm finished. Ooh.
Well, I can't wait to see it coloured in.
Yeah.
Should we do it?
Yeah. Let's color it in.
It's coloring time!
I finished.
She's great.
Yeah.
She came out so good, Artie.
Fantastic.
Are you pleased?
Very, very pleased.
It's very arty.
Yeah. Artie's having an arty day.
See you later, Artie. Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie!
Well, that's all we've got time for. We'll see you again soon on the Artie Show. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.